Hi, this is Luke Vincent. I just wanted to show you guys an idea I had for a website and social networking service geared for all ages, but especially young readers, my age, 13, 14, all the way to 20, all the way to 60. Anybody who's on the internet can be able to use this. This is a rough website, as you can see here. BookTrade. It's not even a website yet. This is just a flash mock-up. It's not I didn't design it to look good. Right now, it's just to explain what's going on. Alright, so here's the welcome screen, or, mock welcome screen. On the welcome screen, you have featured books that are either in your area, they're often tracked, and I'll explain that later, or they're liked by the users of the site. The users who read it, they rate it very high. They say this is a good book, you should read it. Alright, so when we click on the login, you'd be able to enter a username and a password. Obviously, this doesn't work right now. And signing up will allow you to track books that you've registered, discuss books you've read with other members, create a book wish list, and it's all free. So first off, what is tracking books? Well, tracking books is what you do to get free books, or give other people free books. That's what this site is for. It's for free books. You have a book that you read. Let's just say that you read the Nick Adams stories by Ernest Hemingway. Now, you just finished it. You're not going to read it again. You want to give it to someone. So you're going to go onto the site, and you're going to go look for a book, and you're going to search, and it'll pull it up on Amazon. You can also put in your ISBN. Actually, you'd register it if you wanted it to be other people, getting the book. You'd put in the ISBN or just the title, and you'd find it on Amazon. You'd click, and it would register it. You'd get a little slip, a little paper slip with a unique book identification code that'll store it in the it'll store that in the database along with your original position. So this will ask where you are, and then you'll be able to track where it goes and also who uses it and how many times it gets used. And you'll put the UBID slip piece of paper on the front cover, inside the front cover. Alright, so aside from that, we also have tracking. So if you have a book or had a book that you read or have a new one, you go onto the inside cover, you see the UBID, you put it in, and it'll keep it in a log down here, and you'll have the logs of all the books you registered with the UBID, and you'll be able to click and see what they are. And you can delete them if you want to, because maybe you're done tracking it. When you look for a book, let's say I wanted to read The Big Nothing. I'd search The Big Nothing, and I'd search and then it'll ask me for my location. I'll enter my location, and it'll give me everything within my area, it'll list it closest to farthest. And if there's something that's way, way far away from me, let's say the closest book is in Minnesota. Okay, that kind of sucks. Well, he can mail it to you. Might have to pay for shipping and handling, but, it's kind of interesting. It's a social networking idea. And then on each book's page, so if you're tracking a specific book, when you go to track that book, you'll be able to see a discussion of the people who've read your specific book, and you'll be able to see what's going on. So this is just a mock website, not even a website yet, but just a mock to demonstrate. But this is a social networking site I'd like to get up. Unfortunately, I'm not good with HTML or XML, so I'd need help with that. But this is an idea I have. Anybody who wants to support it or just thinks it's a good idea, comment, and share with your friends. Alright, this is Luke Vincent, and goodbye.